it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do it to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make corn fufu. So guys, let's get started. The recipes are semolina, corn flour, cooking oil, and salt. I have my boiling water here. At this moment, I'll turn off the gas and reduce the water. This is what I have left. While the cooker is off, I will pour in my semolina as the base for this corn fufu. Thereafter, I pour in corn flour. Turn off the cooker on low heat. Add some hot water. And turn again. I'll pour in some water again to cook. So guys, corn fufu is ready. Corn fufu with catfish, egusi, and vegetable soup is a bomb. Thank you guys for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.